Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 11. We start with this column. We're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. For this box now we're missing 1, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 and 6 here, so this is our 1. I don't see any other help. So 4, 6, 4, 6. For this row, we're missing 7 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 7, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 5, and 6. We've got a 2 covering these two boxes, so our 2 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 5, 6, 5, 6. For this box, we're missing 3, 6, 7, and 9. We've got a 3 and 7 here, and a 6 here. So this is our 9. 3, 7, and 9 means this is our 6. 3 here, so 7, 3. The 6 comes up here and makes this our 4, 6. For this column, we're missing 5 and 8, and I don't see any help. So 5, 8, 5, 8. For this column, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 1, 5, 1 and 8 here. So this is our 5, 1, 8. For the square now, we're missing 3, 5, and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 6. 6 here, so 3, 5. 3 here, so 5, 6. That means the only place our 3 can be is here. For this row, we're missing 2, 5, and 8. Got a 2 here, so 5, 8. And 2 can't be here or here, so it must be here. For this box, we're missing 1, 3, 7, and 9. We've got 1 and 3 here. So 7, 9, same here, 7, 9. 7 and 9 here, 1 here. So that means this is our 3 and our 1. For this box, we're missing 5, 6, 7, and 9. We've got 6 and 9 here, so 5, 7. 7 and 9 here, so 5, 6. Same here, 5, 6. That means the only place our 9 can be in this box is here, and the only place the 7 can be is here. That 9 makes this our 7, 9. For this row, we're missing a 5. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. We've got a 2 and 7 here, so this is our 3. 7 here, so 2, 7. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 8. We've got a 4 here, so 8, 4. And for this column now, we're only missing a 5. That 5 makes this our 6, 5. 6, 5. And this 5 makes this our 8, 5. 5 makes this our 8. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 1, 4. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. 6 makes this our 5 and 6. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.